Thanks for stopping by Look Younger with Debbie. I've been an esthetician for over 20 years and I'm almost 60. And today I'm going to talk about something that you have in your kitchen right now that will make you look younger and increase elasticity in your skin. Well, there was some women in China who received the Guinness Book of World Records for the longest hair. And 3/4 of the women in this village have hair that is longer than 6 feet long. And they don't start going gray until they're in their 80s. And their secret is rice water. And those particular women use fermented rice water. So I'm going to tell you how to get that, how you can put that together in your kitchen, and you can use it on your hair and on your skin to put back that elasticity that you're losing as we age. So you can just take any rice, this is just some plain white rice, and you can put a half a cup in some water and stir the water in there so that you rinse it a little bit and then strain it. Then you're going to add 2 cups of bottled water to the rice, and you're going to let it sit for at least a half an hour. Now you can strain it, you can use that water, that will help with your hair and skin, but if you want to make it even a little bit better, you would leave the rice in the water for 12 to 24 hours and let it ferment. Now it starts smelling a little bit like bread dough to me. So then you would strain it and you would put it on the stove for about a minute, let it go to a boil, and then so that the fermentation would stop from the boiling, and then you can put it in the fridge and leave it for up to 5 days and use it that way. Now what rice water does for your hair and your skin, it increases circulation. It is an antioxidant which protects your skin. It helps with age spots. What I noticed when I started using it on a daily basis was my skin looked a lot more even toned, and it is anti-inflammatory. So if you tend to have anything red in your skin like blemishes or rosacea or eczema, this is very, very good for that. So there are 3 products that I put in the refrigerator. So in the morning I get up and I do my fermentation water. I pull that out and I use some cotton rounds and I apply it to my face after I've washed my face. And then I apply aloe vera gel, and I'm going to do another whole video on this because aloe vera gel has so many benefits. I'm not even going to start to try to explain it right now. You can take it internally and externally. So that's the second thing I do. And then the last thing I take out of the refrigerator is some vitamin C, and this is timeless. It's the brand is Timeless, and you keep it in the refrigerator to keep it potent. And it also has vitamin E and some other antioxidants in it. So all I do is I take the dropper, put some in the palm of my hand, rub it together, and put it on my face, and that starts my day before I do anything else with my skincare. So if you want to use this water, the rice water on your hair, what you would do is wash your hair. You would apply the rice water, either fermented or not, and let it stay for 2 or 3 minutes like a conditioner, and then rinse it back out again. But you don't want to do that more than once a week because it can build up in your hair. So I hope that helps. I hope that you will incorporate this rice water into your regimen like I have. And I will put all this information in the description box, including where to buy the aloe vera and the Timeless vitamin C serum. So you can just go ahead and click the little black arrow below this video and the description will drop down, and I can give you all the information, and if you're interested in purchasing from Amazon, you can do that. And I hope you share and like this video, and I will see you next time.